Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting the app all required permissions so it can read and save files reliably. Once done, sign into your account or create one and pick a destination: local, cloud, or hybrid storage. Make sure to choose a full initial backup and enable encryption with a strong passphrase. This protects data at rest. Now tap Backup and watch the progress indicator. If prompted, keep the app in the foreground to avoid mobile sleep interruptions. You now configure the detailed behavior so future backups run smoothly without surprises. First, set a schedule, daily is typical, and a retention policy like 30 days to control storage. Next, pick what to include: apps, photos, messages, and system data, and switch on incremental backups to reduce time and space. Then enable verification so each snapshot is checked after completion, and set bandwidth or Wi-Fi only option. You complete the process by restoring and validating. Select a restore point, preview the file list, and resolve any overwrite conflicts before confirming. Start the restore and then run the app's verification or checksum tool to confirm integrity. Open key documents and launch restored apps to test functionality. If something goes wrong, stop and check 3 things: permissions, free storage on the target, and that you entered the correct encryption passphrase. If issues persist, retry with a different restore point or re-verify the backup set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.